Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour, and I have a real quick tip for you about WhatsApp. Have you ever needed to give a new person your WhatsApp contact info and they're fiddling and fuddling with all the phone number information, the country code? The easiest way is to show your QR code for your account and let them scan it. I'm going to show you how, both on Android and on iPhone. So first on the Android, this is my Samsung phone, and there is WhatsApp. From the main screen, so if you're buried down in reading some comments, you need to back up to the main screen, tap the three dots at the top right, and then Settings. And right here, next to your name, there's a little image of a QR code. You tap that, there's the QR code. The person can get out their phone, scan it, voila, they have your WhatsApp contact in their phone. The iPhone, very similar. This is an iPhone. Here we have WhatsApp, and just the settings is a button down at the bottom right, and there's the little QR code next to your name. They can scan it, and they have your WhatsApp account in their WhatsApp now.